one of the big challenges we had initially was knowledge. It was getting skill sets. It was getting the right people. Even though I was actually in a fairly large engineering organization, we just didn't have the staffing that really understood cloud. There wasn't really a lot of external resources out there for us. So it was a lot of kind of just learn as you go. That has changed drastically. I think there's people are much more cloud knowledgeable now. There's a lot more training available. I think the CSPs have done a good job of really kind of bringing people up to speed. And there's certainly a lot of vendors out there. I mean, security vendors like ourselves, or just, kind of architecture and infrastructure vendors out there that help people through it. And it's important because I think a lot of what people, whenever they first go in from their legacy application, is really trying to understand, what does this look like? What does my roadmap look like? What's my cost going to be of this? What additional security risk am I introducing to myself? I've been through that. I've been, really quite frankly, where we've had applications that have gone up over $100,000 a month on AWS, which really is quite eye-opening to CFOs.